Hey guys, I'm Dara Colon, and today I'm going to show you a quick trick in Photoshop that's going to help you to capture a perfect group photo every single time.
Today's episode is sponsored by DCO Branding. DCO is dedicated to designing, creating, and orchestrating a unique branding experience for their clients. You can learn more at www.thedcobrand.com, and don't forget to follow them on social media at the DCO Brand.
So sometimes when you're taking group shots of people, whether it's a big group or a small group, family size or a large wedding party, there's always going to be somebody either blinking in the photo or sneezing or looking away somehow, and you've got everyone else looking at the camera, but that one person is messing up your shot. So in Photoshop, I'm going to show you how to quickly just switch out the faces so that in case a person is sneezing or blinking, you can easily fix the shot and get the perfect shot that you need. So let's check it out.
So the first thing you're going to notice is that if you zoom in closely to the photo, you'll see that we have the young man who's looking straight at the camera, but the baby girl, she's looking off, and it would have been perfect if she looked right at the camera. So I looked at another shot that was similar, and it was where she was looking right at the camera. It was perfect, but her older brother was blinking, and I'm going to show you that right here as we zoom in. So as you can see, we have two shots that would be perfect if they were joined together into one. So we're going to make that happen by switching over to Photoshop. So you're going to take both of the photos by clicking Shift and clicking on each photo. You're going to go ahead and right click, and then you're going to hit Edit in and Edit in Adobe Photoshop. So switching over to Photoshop, you have both of the photos pull up on different windows. And so I'm going to show you both windows here. Now I already selected the face, but I'm going to go ahead and show you which image I'm going to stick with, which is this one where the brother is looking at the camera. And so I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to go ahead and select baby girl's face. So I'm going to use the Polygonal Lasso tool. And so what you're going to see me do here is go around the face, because again, I don't want to take her whole head. I don't want to compromise the structure of the photo. I'm just going to go ahead and gather her face and literally take it into the other photo. So we're going to copy it and go to the other photo, and I literally hit paste. And as you can see, I'm already going to fit right into place. So this really works, especially when you have two photographs that are pretty much the same in composition. For the two photos, you saw that they were both the same size, taken in the same type of range and same zoom length. And so it was really easy to do this. You can do this with other photos, but oftentimes you're gonna have to adjust different elements. It's super simple when you can find two photos that are very similar. If her head was turned, then it would really compromise how you would be able to use this technique. But essentially, all you're gonna do is paste the face right onto the photo. You're gonna merge the two layers together, and then you're gonna start blending those lines, because you can see there's a lot of lines that need to be adjusted from where it was pasted. The shadows are different, and so you have to blend them to make sure that it's the same, and you can't tell that she's been photoshopped on. So I'm just going in with the tools that I use that I love to blend with, which is the Fill Content Aware tool, and then also the patch tool. I love the patch tool. It's super easy to use. You can just work around, select the area, and then literally drag, and it'll blend for you. So I'm just going around making sure that there's no lines, and as you can see, I have a perfect photo where they're both looking at the camera. I'm going to show you again in Lightroom. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see, but literally she is looking right at the camera. It's like you never would have even realized that she wasn't looking in the first place. So this is how you can get this type of effect by just switching the faces in Photoshop. This works great for group photographs, especially when someone blinks, as in this case, and you get a perfect result. This is the before and after.
I hope hope this tutorial helped somebody out today. If it did, make sure you leave a like below. And if you know a better way of doing this, please leave it below in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. If you want to know more about photography, videography, and graphic design, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.